The Declaration of Independence is applicable today because there are some things that still applies today. For example, the Bill of Rights, it is basically a right to all U.S. citizens and those who are living in the United States. One of the reasons why I believe that the Declaration of Independence is still applicable today is because it still applies to us every day. Some of the contents in the Declaration of Independence are also in the Bill of Rights, even in the court laws. Lawyers intend to prosecute the suspect. This is why I believe that the Declaration of Independence is still applicable today, even though the condition it is in. Because during the American Revolutionary War, there was no laws or the Bill of Rights. It was only during a few years after the American Revolutionary War. It was written by and drafted by Thomas Jefferson during summer of 1776, which took place during the American Revolutionary War. However, in the Declaration of Independence, it did have one of John Locke's ideas today. It has much of an influence in today's courtroom. One of the most common courtrooms is the Fifth and the 14th Amendment. Because this gives the suspect the right to not testify against himself. I have never encountered any conflict with the court of law, but seeing in many court cases, several of them have used the Fifth Amendment because the Declaration of Independence, it states the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and that was influenced for both the Fifth and the 14th Amendment. Because I see that the Declaration of Independence contained some of John Locke's, also Jean-Jacques Rousseau's philosophy. Everyone has the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The Declaration of Independence is still applicable today, even though the condition it is in and many people do not believe that the Declaration of Independence is applicable to us because the Bill of Rights is the one that applies to us. It's true, however, some of the ideas in the Declaration of Independence, it's also in the Bill of Rights that is in the Fifth and the 14th Amendments of the United States Constitution. This concludes that the Declaration of Independence is still applicable today, despite the fact that many believe the document is old and the Bill of Rights was replaced. The document is going to be applicable forever. The fact that it is unreadable and may be useless, but it isn't going to be used. But it isn't. It's going to be used by everyone in the United States for decades.